Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Hide image in Pixlr. Today I'll be showing you how to hide image in Pixlr. So there's two ways to hide image in Pixlr. The first way to hide an image in Pixlr is by clicking right click here. Example, I'm gonna hide the orange and on the opacity. And when you lower it, the orange slowly fades away and hides. There you go, as you can see. And when it's fully zero, it's fully hidden. You can see. So that is the one way to hide it. And the other way to hide it is, as you can see, just go down a little bit and you will see visible and hidden. And once you click on the hidden, it will disappear. There you go. Here, it will disappear. And the easiest way to hide it, if you're feeling lazy or you just don't want to right click this and just scroll down here and just hidden invisible, maybe opposite. Just right click on the image, and once you're in the image, right click, just find the hide layer. Click the hide layer and it will hide itself. So there you go. So that's how you hide your image in Pixlr. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.